did you know it is neither the widest, longest, nor the deepest canyon in the world? In 1956, two commercial airplanes crashed over the Grand Canyon, killing all 128 people aboard in the deadliest aviation disaster of the time. The crash helped spur the creation of the Federal Aviation Administration. Of the 6 rattlesnake species located in the park boundaries, the Grand Canyon pink rattlesnake is the most common, and that reptile suns itself on rocks and sandy trails looking for lizards to eat. Some 770 people have died in the Grand Canyon, and due to some inconsistencies in the record, the real number is probably a lot higher than that. Just last year, park officials said there were 24 fatalities. There are several tales of ghosts haunting the national park. Legend of the Wandering Woman says that a mother died by suicide in a lodge along the north rim of the canyon during the 1920s. If you see her, park rangers who've spotted her say she's wearing a white robe with small flowers on it and a scarf over her head.